Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update for Monday 11th of June, right? So we're gonna go into the daily, and I just want to see the daily time frame here for SLP. Now the issue is, when the last time I was updating about SLP, is that I told you, keep in mind, ascending triangles go both ways, okay? And as far as I see things, there is no uptrend. There is no going up. Instead, you might have ended up making some sort of a double bottom here, and you're coming down to the neckline, and you might actually end up losing the neckline to go all the way down to 314, right? But that's the name of trading. That's just how trading really is. You have a pattern, you wait for a confirmation, right? There's always one thing I always tell you in the channel, and that is wait for a confirmation before making the bloody damn trade. The confirmation to the upside was a huge flop, and it actually never happened. But the downside right now is what is in trouble. Notice how you never lost this level, and this is gonna be your first support, your second support, third one, fourth one, fifth one. You went down and you're losing this support completely, which tells me that SLP now is actually looking to go down again to that place where you started to form the ascending triangle. And once you take this level, then it's almost another drop to the downside. Keep one thing in mind, this is going to be a big stop loss moving forward at the 306. Take out that last week, take out that last place of demand where people want to buy, and that's it. That's the end of it. Then you're looking for a big drop to the downside. But to me, this is not looking good, because you're losing the support, and once you lose support, you don't support the coin. Simple stuff here. And that's it for this update on SLP, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.